What's up guys, this is Unknown from Notion Hub, and in this video, I'm going to show you all the best features of Moto E7 Power. By the way, I'll be making tips and tricks video on this phone, so do check it out, link will be in the description. Now the first best thing of this phone is its display. It comes with 6.5-inch IPS LCD Max Vision display in HD Plus resolution, and it comes in 20:9 aspect ratio. Next we have performance. It comes with Helio G25 processor with IMG GE8320 GPU. It has up to 4GB RAM and up to 64GB storage. Here are Antutu and Geekbench scores. Next we have Android One program. This phone has Android 10 with December 5, 2020 security patch. Next it has water resistance. Now this phone comes with IP52 water repellent design, so it can protect the phone from small splashes or even light rain. Next we have battery. Now this phone comes with a massive 5000 mAh battery, and for an average user it can last for 2 days. Next we have cameras. Now this comes with 13 megapixel primary camera with f2.0 aperture, followed by 2 megapixel macro camera with f2.4 aperture and has 4 cm focus distance. For selfies, it has 5 megapixel camera with f2.2 aperture. Next we have Bokeh mode. You can also change blur intensity in this. And there is not much to talk about it. Here are the sample pictures. Next we have jump to camera. You can press the power button twice and you'll jump to camera from anywhere you are. Next we have chop twice for flashlight. As the name suggests, you can do a chopping gesture with the phone twice to turn on the flashlight and do it again to turn it off, or else press the power button to turn it off. Next we have 3-finger screenshot. Now before that, let me show you how to take a regular screenshot. You can press the power button and the volume down button at the same time to take a screenshot. It works just like on the most phones. Now to take a 3-finger screenshot, once you enable it, you can touch and hold the display with 3 fingers to take a screenshot. This is a much convenient way to take a screenshot. Next, swipe fingerprint for notifications. You can swipe down on the fingerprint scanner to bring down the notification panel. Next we have lift to check phone. That's another name for raise to wake. Just enable this and pick up your phone to wake it up. Next we have digital well-being. This is a feature from Google which tracks all your usage and gives you complete analysis of which apps you're using more and helps you limit your usage to have a healthy digital life. Next we have wind down. This feature is part of digital well-being which can help you sleep faster at night. Using this feature, you can schedule your phone to turn on grayscale mode and do not disturb mode automatically at a specific time. Next we have captions. In settings, once you enable this, you'll get captions for the videos you watch, whether it is on YouTube or other apps. In settings, you can change the look of the captions, and that will be applied to captions on YouTube or third-party apps as well. Next, power button ends call. Now as the name suggests, once you enable this feature, you can end calls by clicking just the power button. Next we have night light. It's just like night mode or reading mode, which puts a warm tint on screen to reduce the harmful glare of the screen. We can also change the intensity of this, and we can also schedule it to turn on at a specific time. Next we have gesture navigation. Once you enable this, in this navigation, swiping up and holding takes you to the recent apps page, just like on Pixel phones. You get to see the recent apps and quick app suggestions. You also get gestures like Pixel phones. You can swipe on the home button to switch applications. Next we have prevent ringing. Now while there is an incoming call, to prevent ringing, press power and volume up buttons together to either vibrate or mute. So guys, that's been all the best features of this phone. If I missed out on anything, do let me know by commenting below this video. This is Unknown from Notion Hub. Meet you in the next one.